Hi, welcome to BTBS. This is Jay. Today we will talk about customize OpenShift version 4 master and worker node. This is default value when you install OpenShift version 4 on AWS. By default, there are 3 masters, 3 workers. The master type is M4 X-large and worker node is M4 large. So as you see, this is sample cluster to show you what type is that. So master, you can see here M4 X-large and worker node M4 large. So how we can change the type and the count of master and worker node. Today's demo scenario is that first, I want to change the count of master and worker node to 2. The second, change the type of master node to M5.large. Let's do it. Here is Fedora 28. I'm going to install OpenShift version 4 after customizing the replica count and the type of node. To install, I will use OpenShift installer 0.16.1. In order to customize, I need to create install-config.yaml file by this command line. I believe you are familiar with how to install OpenShift version 4, but if you are not familiar with that, that's okay. But please watch OpenShift version 4 install video from my channel. Okay, let's open install-config.yaml file and update the replica count to 2 and modify platform type of worker to M5 large. Alright, now you are ready to deploy OpenShift version 4 that you want. Let's do it. Okay, it's done. So OpenShift version 4 is installed. So I'm going to check it out, the type of worker node and master count as well. As you see, there is 2 master and 2 worker, and the type is M5 large, and the other one is M4 large. So everything is done as I requested. Thank you.